As a human race, we are dependent on donor tissues and organs for a lot of things, but the availability of donor tissues and organs is low globally. So what I wanted to do as a bioengineer is change that and to use technology to change it. When you're talking about donor cornea tissue, they have to charge you a certain rate just to cover the cost of the recovery, the testing, and the distribution of the tissue. And that's why the value of donor cornea tissue is $4,000 to $6,000 US. They have to charge you a certain amount just to recover their cost. But I'm talking about manufacturing something that's going to cost about $50 per unit. And so that's the difference. I'm in the process of building relationships with contract research organizations who are capable of taking our R&D manufacturing process and translating that to a manufacturing process that's commercially viable. In the meantime, I'm also building relationships with corporations who commercialize ophthalmic implants. And we continue to build relationships with companies like those so that as we meet our milestones, we already have the partnerships in place to commercialize. Now, for the sake of a business, I have to have some sort of focus. So I'm starting with cornea, but cornea is only the beginning.